what I've got here is a hemp spindle with some jute twine that I've mated it with this arrow shaft. A basswood hearth, and I've burned it in already once, and we'll see if we can't get an ember using hemp and basswood. Here we go. Maybe. Dang it. Good amount of smoke. And nothing. Nice powder. Pile of powder, but no ember. I'll give it. It's an interesting development. I don't have an ember on there, but if you can see that, I was able to get one right on the end. I think it's still going. There it is. Pretty interesting.